Stop wasting $5,000 on physical servers that eat electricity, require expensive maintenance, and crash when you need them most. It's a massive upfront cost for hardware that sits in a closet 10,000 miles away. And ditch the AnyDesk laptop setup. It's slow, laggy, and locks your entire team out if one person is logged in. Today, I'm showing you the pro way, a dedicated US presence for just $4 a month with zero hardware and zero bottlenecks. Physical hardware is a liability. If that laptop in the US loses power, your business stops. Plus, AnyDesk limits you to one screen at a time, holding your international operation hostage to a single connection. The cloud is the only professional fix. Today, I will tell you the simple way which can save you thousands of dollars.
First, go to DigitalOcean and create a droplet. Select New York NYC3, choose Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, and pick the $5 basic plan. Set your password and copy your new IP address. Open your terminal and log in. We aren't coding from scratch. We're using a gold standard automation script. Paste this command, which I have included exactly in the video description below, and hit enter. Follow the prompts, and in seconds, your private US gateway is built. Now download the WireGuard app. Copy the config text from your terminal and import it. This ensures high-speed connectivity from any place. You can waste thousands on hardware or spend 5 minutes and $4 to do it right. If you're serious about US sales, the choice is obvious. Ditch the hardware, build your own. The command and every step I just showed you are in the description below. Go get it done.